The ocean sound that terrified scientists for years revealed. In 1997, underwater microphones captured a massive, ultra-low frequency sound called the bloop. The bloop was so loud it was detected by sensors over 3,000 miles apart under the sea. Scientists feared it was a giant sea creature due to its organic, living-like sound profile. Eventually, the mystery was solved. The bloop was a giant iceberg cracking near Antarctica. This natural phenomenon cleared fears of sea monsters and explained the eerie ocean noise. Subscribe for more fascinating ocean mysteries and science stories.